This is how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on a Honda. It's not an easy one, this one. Took a little while to find out how to do it, so I thought I'd post a video just to show you. This particular model is the CRV automatic, and so what you need to do is either have the ignition on or the car running, in park, handbrake on, stationary, flat surface, and make sure you've done all the tyre pressures. Now the menu you need is in the middle of the speedo on this one, and for this one we're going to need these three buttons on the steering wheel. So we've got up and down, bringing them backwards and forwards, and then select, which is the middle one. So pushing the button up and down, we'll scroll through the menus until we find this one. Now to select that, we then push select, and then we're into that menu, and again up and down on the arrows until we stop on the one that we want. Deflation warning system, so that's to do with the tyre pressures. To select that one, so yes, we want that one. Now we've got a choice to cancel, as in come back out of it if we've gone in there by mistake, or initialize it, which is to reset it. So we then push the up and down button, so we highlight initialize, and then once we're on there we then need to select it, and there we go, completed. Now to come out of this system, we now need to go back up and down with the arrows until we find that one, and then we need to select that, so that's going to remove us from that menu, and then we're back onto the main menu. So we go up and down and select which one you wanted to have it on from before. I hope that helps.